Ito ang latest chika mga kamarites. Dani Pangilinan na may binesong magandang babae. Nainggit ngang mga mosang dahil nasaksihan daw nila ang lahat. Miss na miss raw talaga ni aktor si actress. Automatic daw ang pagakbay, halik tapos holding hands while walking. Hirit pa nga ng mga mosang, hindi talaga totoo ang mga haka-haka online na malamig na si aktor kay actress. Malamig ba yung todo linkis niya sa actress na parang hindi nagkita ng mga ilang buwan? So, when you meet that kind of love, you will understand why it never worked out with anyone who came before in your life. So, you will realize that your love has never been too much. It simply needed the right person's hands that lift gently, hold steadily, and never let your heart feel like a weight again. But a home finally carried with peace, a love that genuine.